and this chai is not at all good. And when I met that bad face, he saw me, the one who made this chai. Last time I had a chai at a place which was so wonderful. I thought this will be good too. सब कुछ सोचने से नहीं होता है, and you don't have to try every new place, I guess. When you know कि यहाँ अच्छी मिलती है, go for that place. Don't go anywhere else until and unless you don't know you are actually good over here. 20 रुपये पानी में गए. असा वेदर जेव्हा होतो तेव्हा इट्स लकी डे, मौसम मस्त आला क्वचितच होतो, पण इकडे नेहमी असतं, विच इज अ व्हेरी गुड थिंग. अँड आय वंडर, Bangalore is known for its climate first. This is the Cubbon Park. This is one of the biggest park. It's very nice. You know, leaving the city, big buildings. This is the area where you can have a fresh air, and it's actually very nice. Everything is there. You can do cycling, you can do sketching, skating, you can read books. There is a emporium in the mid. It's very huge. By walking entire park, it takes like 2 to 3 hours to explore the whole park. And there are so many activities you can do, and special people come here with friends, and they had a lot of activities. Some people come with guitar with their group of friends, and they played a guitar. Last week I saw, and it's very nice, very vibing, very chilling. The air is fresh. You can relax here, you can sit here, and it's actually, especially for kids, it's very nice. They can play over here, they can have their little running shows and all, and it's good. It's a large area, one large area where you can actually play outdoor games. So this is nice. You can see, you see the whole greenery over here, and that's the most beautiful part, right? And the people like me who loves nature, who loves being in nature, close to nature, this is the best place for them. I actually like this place. Walking alone in the entire park will hurt your legs, and last week I did the same. I was just wandering around, and I hurted my legs so much. It's very huge. So I'll show you a little bit glimpse of the park. Glimpse of a park. It's very clean. You can sit on the grass. You can sit, ज़मीन पे बैठ सकते हैं, chill कर सकते हैं. People come here to read books, to have some fresh air. It's best place, especially with your friends. For reading, it's wonderful. It's really wonderful. I'll go to that. Look at this. And the trees are very old. It's like 400-year-old, I heard. And it's very, very, very big, very huge. You can play footballs, you can do cycling over here. And this grass is actually nice. They maintain it very nicely. The park maintains the cleanliness over here. So people sit on the grounds also. And it's not even bad. Okay, it's very clean. People can sit, there are no insects, and all the shapes of trees are very nice, very old trees. It's good. chai is not at all good. And when I met that bad face, he saw me, the one who made this chai. It's the wonderful weather here, and I crave for chai, a good chai. Last time I had a chai at a place which was so wonderful. I thought this will be good too. सब कुछ सोचने से नहीं होता है, and you don't have to try every new place, I guess. When you know कि यहाँ अच्छी मिलती है, go for that place. Don't go anywhere else until and unless you don't know you are actually good over here. This is the quantity. I'm not able to finish this. I'm not going to finish it. 30 रुपए पानी में गए. बघा वेदर सुंदर आहे. आपल्याकडे असा वेदर जेव्हा होतो तेव्हा इट्स लकी डे, मौसम मस्त आला क्वचितच होतो, पण इकडे नेहमी असतं, विच इज अ व्हेरी गुड थिंग. अँड आय वंडर, बेंगलोर इज नोन फॉर इट्स क्लाइमेट फर्स्ट. सही में गुड क्लाइमेट, गुड सिटी, not good people. I mean, I don't know, but let's see.